Look how Indian equity investor behaved during this crisis period with the help of this chart. Chart shows that the month-on-month rise in number of folios was maximum in March 2020, and even in April and May it has not come down drastically, which suggests that more and more investors were attracted to market via mutual fund, which is reflected in the rise in folios during this period as shown in the chart. That prior to market peaking, we had huge inflow in mutual fund investment and then it exponentially dropped through COVID crisis. However, astonishingly, mutual fund investors shown great faith in equity market and there was no net outflow from mutual fund investment during month of March and April 2020. Post market peak, there was a drop in inflows, which was obvious, but in absolute terms, net inflow remained positive. This chart shows in May we are getting percentile rise in investment in mutual fund. Here in the graph, we may be seeing negative percentile growth in April and May, but it's relative, it's not absolute. This is interesting chart. Here we have considered all equity mutual funds put together and the total asset managed by the equity mutual fund minus the net inflows for the month versus the Nifty 50 performance. As this chart shows, equity mutual fund versus Nifty 50 when market peak and then during COVID-19 crisis. We have selected here Nifty 50 as market benchmark for sake of simplicity. We are comparing collective performance of all equity types of mutual funds and Nifty 50. We have considered average value of Nifty 50 for each month and average AUM of each month after subtracting new additional investment. And the result is very interesting. What it implies, 5 out of 6 months, particularly when we had a peak and a great rally, mutual fund managers collectively outperform. We always heard that market is rallying as FIIs are pumping money and falling as FIIs are pulling out money. But is that reality? Here we see, in spite of massive pullout by FIIs in the month of March 2020, in the graph we can see about 35% less compared to February 2020. Market corrected only by 21%, which is phenomenal. What all these means? Equity mutual fund investment is good alternative to ordinary investor who don't want to get into direct equity investment hassles. There are more than 250 equity mutual funds and ordinary investor get confused in this selection. We at www.selectmutualfund.com provide simple to use data about all mutual funds in very user friendly manner. www.selectmutualfund.com provides information on what are types of mutual funds, technical parameters of mutual funds, buy, sell and hold recommendation on more than 700 mutual funds. Visit www.selectmutualfund.com before you invest in mutual funds. Thank you.